back with another video, and today, let's move all this other stuff. Oh, look. Back with another video, and today, just gonna move all this so I can get it. I got this. Alright, and just, what? Not that, hold up. Oh yeah, this. Pop-tarts. You get one free book. Alright, Pop-tarts. Let me just open this real quick. Yeah, I'm opening it. God, hate it when it's crushed. This is my Pop-tarts. So you put it in here. Let's see what's inside of a toaster with a Pop-tart. Alright. So look, you see this? Oh God. So turn this up all the way to, just kidding. Go all the way to at least 5. Then pull it, just in case for all of you younglings, you have to pull it down. Now it's on. Alright, leave in the comments if you guys eat your Pop-tarts frozen or cold, hot, like in a toaster, or just regular, right out the box. Let's see what you guys can get today. I bought some Hershey's Nuggets. Not that? Alright. Fine. Got some Cheetos. You know, you like, don't you like Cheetos? Oh, you're lactose? Oh. Get that out of here. Let's see what else we got. What about, no, we don't really have anything today. I ate all the honey buns. Just kidding. How about some mandarin oranges? Y'all want that? Oh, you don't like oranges? Well, how about Lucky Charms or Cookie Crisp or Cinnamon Toast Crunch or other stuff? Alright, good. If you didn't say yes, I would have killed. What? Okay. Pop-tart. Smells really good. Red inside. Ooh. Yep, you see what's the inside of a toaster when you turn it on? Looks cool, don't it? Let's see the other side. Ooh. Alright, so we wait a little bit. Here, just eat some Lucky Charms. You like it? Oh, you didn't? How about some Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Alright, you better have liked that. Well, Pop-tart should be done like right now. Oh! Yo! Alright. So now you don't pull it out with your hand, like, because it's hot. Pull it up. Hold up. Then, like, grab something. Like, paper towel. Look. Pull it up. What? Look. Alright, so I'm just gonna get to visualize it. Pull it up. You see it go up. Alright, and then you use the towel. Take it out. It's gonna be kind of hot, but, or you can just tap it up, like, you know, just tap it so then like bursts out, and then you just get it. Got one. God, broke it. Let's do it. I got 2 of them. Got the 2. Alright, look. Some good Pop-Tarts. Kind of broken, but it's fine. Mmm.